The latest in a wave of new CMOS AF technologies introduced by Canon, the dual-pixel CMOS AF system, is setting the standard for AF performance in DSLRs worldwide. Dual-pixel CMOS AF is essentially a phase difference AF detection technology in the image sensor. All pixels on the sensor hold two separate photodiodes, where each one captures light separately. Signals are detected separately during AF, and the photodiodes act together as a phase difference AF sensor. During shooting, the photodiodes deliver the image signal output as a single pixel. Dual-pixel CMOS AF covers approximately 80% of the image plane horizontally and vertically. Both photodiodes in each pixel read the image signal, and the difference between these two signals determines the amount of lens drive needed to achieve sharp focus. With phase difference detection used for the whole focusing operation, it results in fast and precise AF that locks and tracks focus instantly without hesitation. Let's test the dual-pixel CMOS AF on the EOS 70D against the EOS 100D's hybrid CMOS AF2 and contrast detect AF on the EOS 60D. We'll also show how well dual-pixel CMOS AF works with the EFS 55-250mm f4-5.6 IS STM lens. Our experiment takes place on a race circuit with go-karts as test subjects. In Test 1, we'll shoot images on 3 cameras, first through the viewfinder and then using live view. The cameras tested are the EOS 70D, the EOS 100D, and the EOS 60D. We'll see how fast viewfinder shooting is compared to live view. First, the EOS 70D. Next, the EOS 100D. Lastly, the EOS 60D. From the average focusing speed, we can tell that viewfinder shooting is incredibly fast. Dual-pixel CMOS AF on the EOS 70D helps live view shooting reach the fastest speed of 1.68 seconds. The EOS 100D takes a longer 2.13 seconds, and the EOS 60D is slowest at 4.70 seconds. Now the same cameras will capture the go-kart through live view shooting. This tests the AF performance of different sensors against each other. We mounted the cameras on top of the other to match focus points. Let's start with the EOS 100D versus the EOS 70D. Next up, the EOS 60D against the EOS 70D. How does AF performance measure up between the cameras? Fast enough to capture the key shot, the EOS 70D does better than the EOS 100D. But the biggest contrast is where the EOS 70D outperforms the EOS 60D, which was not able to capture the go-kart. So how much does dual-pixel CMOS AF help in shooting photos? With dual-pixel CMOS AF, the gap between live view and optical viewfinder shooting is reduced to 1.19 seconds. Hybrid CMOS AF2 on the EOS 100D manages a difference of 1.66 seconds. Without hybrid CMOS AF technology, this difference is wider by 3.88 seconds on the EOS 60D. In live view shooting, the EOS 70D is faster than the EOS 100D by 26% and a huge 180% faster than the EOS 60D. Translated to photo shooting benefit, the EOS 70D has the advantage of capturing the right moment. Dual-pixel CMOS AF system on the CMOS sensor is the new frontier in AF technology. Combined with the touchscreen feature, this opens up a world of possibilities for live view shooting of photos. Dual-pixel CMOS AF certainly brings out the best of stepping motor technology on the STM lens. A lead screw-type mechanism results in a smooth lens drive and silent AF. Paired with a range of STM lenses, the EOS 70D definitely delivers a shooting performance that is truly exceptional.
Canon, delighting you always.